Today we're making shrimp tacos cooked with a flavorful spice blend, then topped with my delicious creamy avocado sauce. I have 2 pounds of peeled and deveined raw shrimp. For our spices, we'll start with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of light chili powder. If you don't have the chili powder, you can use smoked paprika. We're going to let these sit for a bit while we work on our veggies. You'll need to chop and dice 1 red bell pepper. I'm also using 1 green and 1 yellow. You'll also need 2 garlic cloves and 1 bush of cilantro. Whoop, 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 whoop. Great Mexican flavor here. I'm also using half of a red onion. Red onions are slightly sweet. Maybe not that sweet because it made me cry. Things are going to go pretty quick, so I'm going to go ahead and dice up 1 avocado. And I bought this little tool at the grocery store. It's a 3-in-1, so let's give it a try, see how it works. All right, so on this side, it's got a slicer. Oh, this is a little hard to kind of push down on. Let's see. Oh, no. Okay, I don't like this, guys. Oh, well, some things work, some don't. Let's try this side. All right, this part works okay. The slicer, not so much, unless I used it wrong. I'm just going to stick to the old way here. Squeeze a little bit of lemon so your avocado doesn't turn brown while it sits for a while. To a hot pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to start with our veggies and garlic we chopped up. I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit here. Now, you may have seen me make a short video of my shrimp tacos, but I did make those on a black stone, so I wanted to make sure that I came on here, made these on a skillet in case you don't have a black stone, and also gave you a little more detail since those shorts are very quick. I'm going to season these with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, sometimes I like to add a little bit of cumin. I think I'll go ahead and do that today. Now, it's not necessary, but it definitely adds just a little more flavor to it. Cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and tender. Then place them on a plate temporarily. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, add your shrimp. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Then you want to cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Now, shrimp cooks fairly quick, so make sure that you don't overcook it. Otherwise, you'll wind up with rubbery shrimp, and you don't want that. Set your heat down to low, then add back your veggies, or if you prefer, you can serve your veggies separately later. Give it a quick mix and turn your heat off. Squeeze 1 whole lime, then set your shrimp aside. To the same pan, add some oil. Make sure you let it get nice and hot. Then you can start adding your tortillas. You can use corn or flour. We're going to fry these up a little bit so they get slightly hard. Now, I usually just let them get wet on one side and then turn them around fairly quick. Add some quesadilla cheese. You want the cheese to melt. Now, you can use your cover just to kind of help speed the process. Make sure that your heat is not set at high and that you have it on low so that you don't burn the other side of your tortilla. Now, they don't have to be completely melted because they will continue to melt since they're pretty hot. Now, you want them not too hard but slightly hard so that you can fold them over when making your taco. Now for the fun part, we're ready to assemble our tacos. And what kind of tortillas do you like your tacos with? Do you like your shrimp tacos on corn tortillas or on flour? Although I like mine on both, I prefer corn for this. For our first topping, I like to add this cabbage slaw mix. Now, if you prefer, you could add lettuce instead, but cabbage is actually pretty popular with shrimp tacos. Next, we'll go in with some Roma tomatoes, some avocado, cilantro. Sometimes I also like to add this Mexican cotija cheese. It's really good. Next, my creamy avocado cilantro lime sauce that I know you're gonna love. This is so good and one of my favorites. Now, I have a special video for this, so be sure to watch it. I'll post the link below in the description and up top. You can put it on a squeeze bottle, serve it with a spoon, depending on how you like your tacos to look. We're not done yet. I also like to go in with some Mexican crema. Make sure you get the table cream. And I just like to add a second color here to it. And it's a nice little flavor. Then I top it off with more cotija cheese. And here you have it, one of the best shrimp taco recipes you'll make. Be sure and give these a try. And if you like this video, be sure and give it a like, share with friends if you can, and leave me a comment below.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.